For Centauro Rent-A-Car, no dream is too big. For this reason, they are one of the leading car rental companies today, offering more than 5,000 destinations across the world, with offices at airports and AVE train stations in the main tourist destinations within Spain and Portugal. Thanks to their international expansion, they plan to open offices in Italy and other European cities. Centauro Rent-A-Car is a consolidated company that was founded in 1973 as a small Spanish family business in the tourist capital of the Costa Blanca, Benidorm. This city was crucial in the beginning of Centauro Rent-A-Car, witnessing its expansion and seeing what it has become today, a leading company that has more than 18,000 vehicles and has the trust of more than 500,000 customers a year, who together have traveled the equivalent of over 6,000 times around the world. Determination and spirit to improve are part of the DNA of Centauro Rent-A-Car. Qualities that are reflected in their exceptional team and whose commitment and dedication to the customer are the engine for the company's growth. Therefore, Centauro is committed to continuous training and career development of its staff as a basis for progress in the company's future. They currently have international partnerships with which they cover more than 5,000 destinations around the world and have agreements with the main car manufacturers in order to offer the best fleet. "90% of Centauro's customers return thanks to the vast experience and quality in the service provided, where the customer is key to success." Centauro also promotes a global concept of sustainable mobility with two strategies: the incorporation of hybrid vehicles in its extensive fleet and the use of 100% renewable energy in its offices, avoiding the emission of more than 184 tons of CO2 per year. Technological innovation as an expansion strategy has a direct impact on service and the user's experience. One of its star developments is the Centauro app, through which customers can book a car from their mobile, and the use of tablets allowing speedier pickup and drop-off times. Experience, talent, quality and innovation make Centauro Rent-A-Car a unique company that, day by day, strengthens its presence in the most important destinations in Europe. Centauro Rent-A-Car. Drive a leader.